guys, this is Shelly, and I have this purple, which, oh my gosh, beautiful, beautiful purple blanket. That's also an electric blanket, and it is, oh my gosh. I was going to tell you later in this video about how soft it is, but I just can't help it. It is so cozy. So it's so cozy, and it's an electric blanket, and get how thick it is. I've never seen one, honestly, and I have several, and a lot of them have broken, or one side don't work, and so, but they're thin, so maybe this will help. Just being honest. This was gifted to me too, so I'm telling you, an honest review on this thing. Okay, my daughter's been using it. She's been sleeping in her bed every night with this thing. So here's the power. We should be close. Here's the power. Okay, if you can't see, that's on high. Low. Goes up to, so what you do, you could also set it, say you want to set it on 3. And then my daughter's been setting it. Okay, different temperatures, different timers. Okay, my daughter, she's been using the timer. I think you've been setting it for an hour, right? Yeah. So she's been setting it at night for an hour. And then it's just easy to turn it off. Oh my God, I feel it right now. I'm just playing with it with you. And I had it sitting right here. I could feel it on my lap. So you literally just take this, which is a very long power cord, and it hooks directly up to the blanket. And it's in a place where it's not inconvenient. And this thing is pretty big. Like, I'm gonna tell you, she's been sleeping with this thing on her bed. And I'll show you that too. I got my daughter here. Yeah, she stole the electric blanket. Go away. I'm guessing that you like it then since you took it, huh?
I didn't take it. It was mine in the first place.
This thing's huge. It can literally cover. Here's my couch. Oh my gosh. This thing is warm, cozy. It is winter time. It is cold right now where I'm at. So I don't know about you, but this thing could come in handy. So we love it. I like it, and my daughter stole it. So yeah, okay, it's hers. But it's coming in handy. Let's put it that way. It's helping my daughter sleep through the night, but she was having issues because she was getting cold. Now she's not. So I wanted to do this review because this helped us. So hopefully this one helps you.